Hello everybody. Today we are going to learn about the origin of the name Panay. But first we will see the map of Panay from the map of the Philippines. So here it is, the map of the Philippine Islands, and Panay is situated at the central part of the Philippines, part of Visayas. So this is the Panay Island, and here are the languages of Panay Island and their dialects. And this is another map of Panay Island, composed of Antique, Aklan, Capiz, Iloilo, and Guimaras. And another city is found here in the middle, the Pasig City, a component city of Iloilo. And we have another map here, and another map with dialects of Panay. Dialects like Hiligaynon, Kinaraya, Capisnon, Aklanon, Mindanon. So Panay actually has more than it has several languages. So back to our topic, the origin of the name Panay. Before we ever attempt to establish the historical fact of how the name Aninipay became Panay, here are some details right from very reliable sources to prove its origin. One from national historian and three from the local Ilonggo Panayan historians. From the national narrative, the story says the search for food and other provisions brought the Spaniards to Iloilo province in the early part of June 1565, landing at Dumangas at the mouth of the Halawood River. However, in the later part of 1569, Legazpi finally transferred his stronghold from Cebu to Panay. Here is an evidence of the transfer of the Spaniards from Cebu to Iloilo. The local historical narratives goes on to say, when the Spaniards settled in Cebu in the 16th century, they were faced with hunger because of the shortage of food supply in that place. They therefore left Cebu and sailed northwestward until they came to a big island. When they landed, they saw that there was plenty of food. The leader of the Spaniards exclaimed, "Panhay," meaning there's bread. In the Spanish accounts, we read that Legazpi was indeed in danger from hunger in Cebu, that he did send an expedition to look for food. The expedition reached Panay landing. The expedition reached Panay, landing first in the Halawood or Halaor, in what is now Dumangas, Iloilo, where the Spaniards procured some 1,000 sacks of rice. Here is the story to prove that the first landing of the Spaniards in the island of Panay was at the mouth of the Halawood River or Halaor River, actually in Talaogis, Dumangas, Iloilo. The expedition was led by Mateo del Sanz. Historical records show they did not just stop there. They set sail for another venture to survey the basins of food sources in the island. After they were able to purchase some 1,000 sacks of rice in Dumangas, they then sailed to the north and landed again in a place known as Bamban, where they faced food to be plentiful. Bamban became the town of Panay Capiz, though the first place to be reached by the Spaniards in the island was the town of Dumangas, and the term Panhay Their bread was then first exclaimed in this very place. It was not named so. The story tells us that it only happened when they continued to venture sailing around the island and discovered another food basket or vast rice fields somewhere in the north when the name was specifically applied. The story goes that when the Spanish soldiers of Miguel Lopez de Legazpi arrived in Bamban after a Bamban plant foraging for food, they found plenty of rice and said to have exclaimed Panhay. There's bread and the place was called Panay, the name which was later applied to the entire island. This is the brief history of how the island, anciently named Aninipay, was later renamed permanently to its present name, Panay. So here is an illustration of a town in Panay Capiz, which was also called Panay, and then later the name Panay was applied to the whole island of Panay. And here guys is another island of Panay, map of Panay Island. The Panay Island includes the Guimaras, which is a separate island, but somehow it is considered part of Panay. So this is our vlog for today, guys. If you have learned a lot from this blog, if you think this blog is informative and helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and see you on our next blog, guys. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys.